we're right in the middle of talking to a friend. I'm gonna see about.
Yep, she had money. I was sure of it. She wouldn't put up any kind of fight. I was gonna rob her. And the night I finally get up the nerve to do it, there you are, fucking things up for me. You were just in the wrong place at the wrong time. I wasn't there to save her. Hey, stop! This isn't what I want!
Oh, shut the fuck up, Woody! Shit ain't just about you. It's about this fucking lapdog. Only comes sniffing around this part of town when the rich fucks in the woodlands need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
You're backing the wrong guy. If you saw what I saw last night, you'd know that.
What I see is someone who wouldn't be here if I was the one needing the law for some help. Holly's sister goes missing. No one gives two shits about her. Paperwork, waiting rooms, and that bitch Snow White looking right past me, then ushering me out the fucking door.
I wouldn't call her that. It's happened before, and it doesn't end well.
I didn't realize you were the bitch of the bitch.
No.
That all you got?
Seemed to be enough.
Don't be so sure.
Oh, good.
Should have walked out of here when you had the chance.
Come on. You're scaring the lady.
Don't worry about me.
Oh, you're real scary. Jeez. I'm up on the floor with me. Come on. What do we got? 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 Oh, up to Daisy. In your eye. Down. All right. Yeah. Okay. And get you that. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Ooh. Gee. What do you think left of the place? No, see, no. Just. No. Only so much a person can take. So much a wolf could take. I'm taking it easy on you today.
He's had enough!
Ooh, oh. I'll walk away. I don't feel like doing more reputable damage than I have already.
Whiskey. Double.
I guess whiskey's another good way of Keeping your glamour in. Seems so. I wish I could drink whiskey and look that handsome.
Submit a damage report with my office. Fabletown will pay for this. Charge the drink on there, too. And the glass.
Where are you going?
Even think about it.
Is this the type of treatment I can expect if I let you take me in?
If you run, it'll be worse. Trust me.
Alright, I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named...
Faith.
Fuck.
Right? Well. Really? Hey, yeah. Crap. Go to the woodsman.
Ah! You said you wouldn't hurt me.
You said you wouldn't run. Shit.
Guy's covered in blood and you let him go?
No one asked you.
Ah!
Come on. You're under arrest.
I didn't do it.
And you got nothing to worry about.
Let's see how this goes.
Do anything stupid, and I'll throw you down the witching well myself.
All right.
I like the music. How it builds up. And this is exactly how you get across police. You just wait for everyone to kind of face out. He's another head. Oh, it's great. Great.
We had something very special.
Who else is involved?
The girl with the coat.
Serial killer.
Oh my.
A serial killer? Oh, God, and it's one of us?
Wait, the big fat guy still walking the streets?
We've got to put a lid on this. If you can't manage it, I'll find someone who can.
I found out where she's been staying.
I know she's here. You must have seen her. What are the two of you hiding?
Thanks for not saying anything.
Doesn't matter. Maybe you just want to punch someone. We can arrange that.
What did you do?
Friend on friend. At the end of the end.
Jesus Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
Episode 2, everyone.